Wait, why is this Z still in the air?
I just got done sanding down the sway bar. I'm gonna spray it and see if I can get it to look decent. These plates. So I got the little sway bar brackets. I need to clean those off too. I just used a wire wheel on a drill. It worked okay. It took a while. And then whatever these are called, like the subframe mount bracket thingies. These are just disgusting. And then I got this. I was just testing the paint out, see if I actually like it. Got black and silver, so we'll see what I can do.
John, I'm busy. Look, this is my video. I needed to show the car ID ad, and then Ethan got me distracted. Whoa. Hold on, we'll do a nice pan. John Williams painting subframe. Shit, let's get some cinematic spray. Nice. Swonk.
Yo, whose sick R34 RC car is that?
Someone.
Yes. It doesn't have a remote. It's just the car.
Why it kind of feel heavy and nice?
I don't know.
Or
It's
is it
not.
shitty?
It was free.
Is it really an outrun video if you aren't painting suspension parts silver?
Honestly? Here, I'll set it up like every single person. Today we're gonna be painting Z31 Swonk Bonk. Wait, you have to put it at like an uncomfortable angle. Alright,
I'm just off in the corner.
now we're gonna paint the Swonk Bonk. John, it doesn't matter. It's going under your car.
It's a bug. Look at this dude. He's just glued himself to my sway bar.
What bug? I think you got it.
Oh, he's dead, but we are getting somewhere. It's not perfect, but the dirt and the rust is off. These things are nasty. This is the one that I haven't done yet, obviously. See you later, stinky. It's July 7th, oh, 3:30 I think. Just finishing up the brake calipers. Using a wire wheel to get the rust off. There's a lot of gunk and crap on here. And I'm painting them. I got the right side all done, it's the left side. I'm just finishing these up. Everything is still in pieces, as you can see. Subframe bushings are being pressed by Zach at Nissan. My buddy is doing my LCAs, and then I have to clean up both of those and paint both of those. And then we should be good to put everything back together. Here are the parts that I've already painted. I've got the little brackets that hold on the subframe mounts. These came out pretty well. Nothing's perfect, but it is 100% better than what it was. The little bottom part on the LCAs that kind of like hold on the shocks or the struts, and then the sway bar, which is all shiny now. Also, Lucas got a tool chest, which is just bigger than mine, so that's cool. Yeah. Alright, so Lucas, Max, and I are gonna go look at an MR2. Speaking of which, there's one at the neighbor's house, so that's kind of cool. That's the second gen. We're looking at a first gen. So this is going to be fun. So Lucas is looking at an MR2 and he just killed it in the parking lot. I did not, unfortunately. Alright. LCAs are back. New bearings are in. Old bushings out. But the new bushings don't fit. Because I need a little shim. So that sucks. A lot of things suck. But anyway, we're going to go look at another MR2. Because I found a really cool one this morning. Way better than the previous one. Got some goods. What's it for, you might wonder? Nothing much. Just for that cool guy right over there that this cool guy just bought. Look at this shit. Look at that. Shit looks good. And homie threw in a 4AGE for free. I mean, we still paid money, so it's not really free. You know what I mean. Oh my god, give us so much stuff.
He's trying to find fourth at one point. He went into second, which I thought was gonna happen.
Dang. That's okay.
It's like that. It's quick though.
Man's off-roading. Yeah, it's quick.
It's not fast, but it is quick.
Yeah. Got one of the LCAs painted. It's drying right now. At least the top side is. It's not perfect. I could not take any more cleaning, so there's some runs, there's some dirt under there. This is like metal from the welds, I guess, but there's some splatter on there. And you can see that it's running a little bit right there, but I do not care. I want the car back together.
Oh. Am I here?
Why are we here, Leon?
Why am I here?
I got the other LCA down here. That's the last part that I need to clean up and paint. And then that should be it.
He's hostage.
Yeah, he's actually been strapped into that C for a month now. The 4A. Got the subframe in. At least mounted up. It's not bolted on properly yet. Just wanted to make sure that these bushings fit that I finally got. Sourcing them was kind of a nightmare. Thank you, eBay. Just waiting on the LCA bushings, and then be good to put everything back together. Yeah. And I've got the brake calipers assembled and painted, all ready to go. Again, not perfect, but who cares? It's oh shit, what day is it? I'm tired. It's July 19th, about 9 a.m. And guess what this is? Kaminari kick game. Not that. Those things are for Zach. But we got the air dam, and attached to it we got the rear valence, which I'll take off in a sec. And then we got the wing right there. Let's see, side pieces are over there. And I think those two things are the part that actually sits on the side here. Right here. So yeah, kit showed up before the Z's even done. Which is nice that I have it, but why? Why do you take so long? I have LCA bushings coming. From eBay. So this should be here this week, I don't know when. That's literally the last thing I have to do. So I'm just slowly painting this, or cleaning this so that I can paint it, and that's the last part that I have to paint. I already have everything built. I got the calipers, got the sway bar over there, the weird lower LCA thingies that the coilover attaches to, and I got the subframe all in. So we're ready to go, basically, aside from, you know, the paint for the last LCA and a couple brake lines, but yeah, that's it. We're ready to get this thing back together. And now I got a body kit, so that'll be fun. Alright, I unpacked it. We got the 3-piece wing in the rear. We got a max. This is pretty cool. It's even got a spot for the antenna if I want to take that out. And then we got the rear valence and the front air dam, which is already black. It's pretty cool, so I can definitely mount it up and run it for a while before I paint it if I wanted to. and it looks like it's really good quality, so Kaminari actually makes good shit, as opposed to the Xenon air down. Alright, so I finally have everything back to put the rear back together. So, doggo. I want you focus. There we go. So, got the axles over there, have had those. Got the LCA. I tightened the nut, like the axle nut, hub nut, whatever the hell it's called on either side of this. Got these back on. That was a pain in the ass. But most importantly, what took this a goddamn month was the LCA bushings. Because I pressed out the sleeves and didn't know what to do. Thought I ordered replacements. They didn't fit, so I just made my own with Gabe. So, yeah, it's going back in now. This is cool.
Yo, here's John. Torquing things. John, what's the last thing you recorded? The subframe going in?
I think it was last night, and we had the LCA and I couldn't get the axle in.
Oh, so John had the wrong sides in the axle. So we swapped them around, and now they fit. Now we're torquing things.
Your boy's stupid.
He's torquing things. So that's cool. We got the good car here. Right, John?
What?
Good car is here. And the good mirrors are on. Look at these. Heat. Heat.
Wait. No one out there.
Heat. Heat. Not so heat. Hot.
Alright. Driver's side caliper blew up.
What? You should go this way though.
Friends leaving. They go into the pool. Lucky sons of bitches. Almost done. And fucking caliper detonated. But that's okay. Yeah. Just gonna go pick one up from O'Reilly's. They have one over in Aurora. Shouldn't take very long. I need to go now before rush hour hits, but yeah, should still be doable today. I wanna drive this today. So here we go.
Let's go. I kind of want to take off my $20 eBay counter.
I'm not the biggest fan, but
Yeah, it looks okay on that. I don't know, the worst thing is like my rear wheel brakes.
it's funny you scrape.
Let's go down slower.
July 31st. Afternoon sometime. It's cloudy day.
You know when your front bumper is hella low, you just like skip over shit. The rear bumper it like catches shit and pulls it off, so it just breaks it. All I do is like it breaks the same spot, so I just open up the crack and I just pour resin in it and then clamp it back together and put it back on.
Whatever works.
It always breaks, same little piece.